Rápido con la inspección.
Este está dañado. Va a rechazo.
The dried cactus sheets are submerged in a proprietary blend of natural solutions, enhancing their durability and flexibility.
Strap attachment points are reinforced with multiple layers of cactus leather and strong synthetic webbing, creating anchor points capable of supporting significant weight. Premium leather straps made from additional processed cactus leather are attached to the reinforced D-rings, completing the handbag's carrying system with adjustable length mechanisms. In this climate-controlled facility, the cactus leather handbags are scanned and sorted with remarkable precision for international shipment.
The reinforced stitching really holds the shape well here.
Yes, and the brushed metal complements the green perfectly.
It performs exceptionally well in all practical tests, exceeding traditional leather in durability.
We appreciate Look at the texture on that.
Yeah.
And it's fully sustainable. Yeah, so
It feels incredible. The craftsmanship is exquisite.